Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn an origami paper box. You have to take a piece of paper, fold it into four squares, then open it. Now from outward to the center, making four equal triangles. Done. Now again the same step. Do it a bit carefully so that your paper does not tear. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel for more origami tutorials. Alright, some more steps to form the base of the paper box. Okay, now we are making some flower like structure by folding. Opening each into a leaf type shape elegantly. Alright, a frame has been made by using the foldings. Now turn it inwards. After doing this step from all four sides, we will have a frame like shape. done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.